China. Honestly, I have no idea what's inside this box. Look at that. Tail lights. Okay, now I know who sent these. So, every now and then, Cindy and I get contacted by manufacturers who want to send us products to test out or to promote. And these Blackout taillights for a JL Wrangler were sent to us by a company called Vic Offroad, and they're located in Australia. Which is great because I busted one on Jet some time ago, and I've been meaning to replace it for quite a while now. Fortunately, these look like they are LEDs and without proximity sensors, and that's exactly what we would be needing. I think I need to get these installed. Fortunately, installing a brand new set of taillights on a Jeep JL Wrangler is about the easiest mod that you can do. And for the most part, the only thing that you'll need is the toolkit that comes with your Jeep. While it isn't necessary, I would also recommend that you use a trim pry tool just like this. So, while you can use something like a flathead screwdriver, a trim pry tool will allow you to remove this cover without damaging any of the plastic trim. With the cover off, I'm now going to use the Torx 45 bit that comes with the toolkit to remove the one bolt securing the taillight to the body of the JL. With the bolt removed, the only thing left to do is pop out the taillight. Just like that. All right, so normally this would be actually attached right about here, but maybe because when I pulled it out or when we had previous body work done, it was already separated. In any case, this red tab's going to need to be slid out. It's a lock, and it's difficult to do, so a small screwdriver will help you out there. And then we're going to press on this tab right here and pull it apart. All right, so it looks like I'm going to have to recycle this part from the factory light and install it on our new light. And to do that, I'm going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. And there's 1, 2, 3 screws that look like they need to come off. Okay, now using the factory screws, we'll go ahead and screw everything back on. All right, now all I have to do is plug it in and then pop the whole light back into the body. Now I can go ahead and secure it in place. Last but not least, just got to put this cover back on. And do the other side. All right, let's see what these things look like. Cool. Let's see if the brake lights work. They on?
They're on.
All right, I'm going to start up the engine. We're going to see if the reverse lights work. Reverse lights on?
They're on.
And it looks like the blinkers are on too. Awesome. So everything is working, but we are getting an error message on our EVIC, and it's saying that we have a turn signal that's out. And I should note this in spite of the fact that we replaced our factory LED taillights with the Vic Offroad LED lights. But to be fair to them, they did tell me that their lights were designed to replace factory incandescent lights, so it's entirely possible that the resistors that they have is causing this problem. In any case, it's something that I can figure out, I'm sure, but I thought you should be aware of. Awesome. And there you have it. An unexpected surprise package from Vic Offroad, and one that completely transformed the look of Jet's rear end. Please let us know what you think about it.
Hey, Ripley, did you like your bath? Was it a good bath?